Hello, doctor. Yes, soon you're all going to add it with your name. NEET exam is so close to you to give you this grade. Here, I want to give you 5 easy ways to crack your NEET exam in the new exam pattern. Yeah, it's only 5 easy ways. But you have to follow it strictly and sincerely. My dear friends, if you're ready to work hard, definitely hard work rewards you. Don't forget it. Let's get into the 5 easy way now. Come on. First point is follow only NCERT flow plus one study material. For NEET exam preparation, NCERT is mandatory. If you complete NCERT and very clear about it, definitely you can score 640 plus in your NEET exam. Study material boosts you to score more than that. But at any cost, don't change your study material at this time with the recommendations of anyone. Follow only one study material which you feel is best. NCERT book plus one study material is enough for your revision. Revise all the units in the syllabus. Second point is revise everything from your own notes. Revision. You have to revise all the units in the syllabus which is mandatory. Revise from your short notes which you prepared while preparing the units. These notes will be very helpful for you at this time. Make short notes, pocket notes, mind map and follow memorization techniques to memorize. Revise the higher weightage units first, then go for other weightage units. Many people at this time advising their NEET students not to study the units which they haven't prepared prior. Friends, keep in mind, for NEET all the units are important. Your preparation can be by weightage of units, but you have to prepare and revise all units. Don't leave any unit at any cost. Even one question values and add up 4 marks for you. Don't forget. Practice makes a man perfect. That's our next point. Practice, practice, practice all the numerical questions. Daily you must practice 10 to 15 numerical questions from physics and chemistry. In physics and chemistry, 80% of the questions are numerical. So practice numerical questions which is very essential at this time. Physics, you have numerical questions from all units. In chemistry, you have numerical questions from physical chemistry and other questions related to the oxidation numbers. Daily, practicing and solving numerical questions is must. Repeated doing of numerical questions makes you master of it. It also increases your confidence on numerical questions. Fourth point is do mock test. Mock test is very important at this time. Mock test practice you for the final NEET exam. It rectifies all your errors in answering the question. So, take mock test daily. Check in which units you are prepared well and in which units you need some more preparation. VV Guru channel gives you any videos explaining the importance and techniques to do mock test. VV Guru NEET app conducting mock test for NEET students. Friends, you have to stop taking mock tests before 2 days of your NEET exam. Last 2 days should be full of revision of the units, turning all the pages of books, study materials, notes, formula notes. Keep it in mind. The most important thing you want at this time is a cup of coffee. Yes, you have to be self-stimulant. Be confident and full of hope. This is our next point. Many people from your surroundings discourage you by saying your preparation is not good. Demotivate you by saying even when you fail in NEET exam, you can go to another career. You can't do it. Don't turn your ears to these words. Avoid negativity and being with negative people. Aim only on cracking NEET. You are going to be a doctor if you crack NEET. Never ever give up. The successful people in this world all come up after a tough time, hard work, challenging atmosphere, many sleepless nights, aiming for one goal. So don't forget, no pain, no gain. Be a coffee cup which is full of confidence, optimistic, fast, fearless, elegant in your preparation, empower. And don't forget the cup. That is, concentrate, understand, practice. That's you have to do at this time. Don't forget the cup, concentrate, understand, and practice.